how to make a pathway to your front door if you're landscaping a new lawn and things like that. And that helped me because we just put one in our front yard when we moved the house over. And so now we have a designated area to walk to our door.
Oh, yeah?
Because we have 3 doors. How would you know which door to go to? So, I mean, that was a big help.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. Yeah. And a focal point, the right tree in the right area. Things like that, I think, are important to a lot of people who don't know and who don't want to hire a landscaper to come in and do something that is real simple. When you think about what we did, it didn't take a lot of, expense to do that. It was relatively easy to do.
Just learning those basic design principles really helps.
The design principles were everything. And I didn't know that until I came to the class.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, today we're talking about our Get Growing garden series. So that's coming up in February, and we're here with Linda and Renee, and they attended it last year in Beloit. So Linda, what was your favorite part of the series?
My favorite part was bringing my lunch with my friend and learning all about the vegetables and flowers that I could grow in our area.
Okay, awesome. What was your favorite part, Renee?
Well, I liked that I could bring my lunch. I worked downtown, it was downtown, and I could be there. I also liked learning about the different zones, and that Beloit had a unique zone of where to grow things.
Absolutely.
And the different trees that we could grow here.
So would you recommend it to someone that is thinking about going this year?
Oh, I would definitely recommend it because you had good handouts, which I could take away and use. And then you also had the book that said what Kansas-specific K-State recommendations. And we could find that locally, those products, so that was helpful. Yeah, I'd recommend it for sure.
Our first session is just the basics of gardening, how to have your best successful garden for the season. The next Wednesday will be over Annual and Perennial Flowers. So we're going to be talking about the Prairie Star program, which is a great program that K-State Extension has put together over the best of the best annuals and perennials. And then the last session will be over landscape design principles, really how to make your house beautiful from the curbside and make all your neighbors jealous of your beautiful landscape design. So come join us in February at the Osborne Public Library, the 6th, 13th, and 20th over the noon hour.
We did.
We're groupies.